In this video, we want to see how we can use smart tools to mill off or prepare a workpiece. So let me open up the main menu of Toolbar. The machine in question where we want to mill something off is machine number 2, so we go to Tool Transfer and go for machine number 2. On the left side I have my tool changer with all the tools and active tools in green into it, or I can see an expanded view of my tool changer with more description. So the milling I want to do is I'm going to use the tool in pocket number 8. So I clicked on it and I have now my tool description background, and on the right bottom I find Smart Tools. So I'm going to click on Smart Tools. Well, here I find in my background that I can use several tools. So in my case, what I really want to do is I want to mill it off and I want to put a finishing cut to it. I don't want to chamfer. So this is the tool I've selected, which is the primary tool, and here is my finishing tool. So I'm going to enable my finishing tool and save it. My starting size of the workpiece is 4.1 inches, and I want to finish my piece off at 4 inches. I want a finishing cut, just a light finishing cut to clean it all off, of 0.0077 thou. So now over here I can see what I have done. Main cuts I have to do in order to, with the maximum allowed to the first cutter is none. I have a remaining cut from 93 thou and the last cut from 7 thou. So now I'm going to specify the size of my piece. I have a piece of 6 by 8, and I'm going to use only one fixture, which I can adjust here. I can have multiple fixtures, but I'm going to stay with one, and I'm going to do with multipath facing cuts, which I can either here select multipath or spiral. I'm going to stay with my multipath. So this is really all the input I have to do, and I'm just going to go to code. Well, it detected that my finishing tool is not in the machine, so I have to bring it in. Here's my primary tool, that's my secondary tool, so I got to put it into my machine. So I'm going to look myself for an empty spot here, and I'm going to install it. So now I go skip next. And I have to install now my secondary tool, the finishing face mill, which is not in the machine, and I have to bring the tool offset in. It has generated an installation file, which I transfer to the machine and run it. It will bring the tool, it will the spindle out, and all you have to do is insert the secondary mill into the spindle and press cycle start, and here is the offset set. So now the tool is installed, the second tool, and here I have now my path. Here's my G-code for my operation. So I'm going to use my primary mill, and go down here, then I use my secondary mill or my finishing mill. So I'm going to send this one to the machine, and I'm ready. So now I can start milling. This is how easy you can use Smart Tools in Toolbar.